Welcome back. Today, we've got 10 weight loss hacks that really work. Let's dive in. 1. Portion control. Control your portions by using smaller plates and listening to your body's hunger cues. 2. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water before meals to reduce your appetite. 3. Meal prepping. Plan and prepare your meals in advance to avoid unhealthy choices on busy days. 4. Fiber-rich foods. Fill up on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes for longer-lasting satiety. 5. Mindful eating. Be present and savor each bite to avoid overeating. 6. Get active. Find an exercise routine you enjoy to boost your metabolism and burn calories. 7. Limit sugary drinks. Swap sugary drinks for water, herbal tea, or infused water. 8. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to control cravings. 9. Track your progress. Keep a food and exercise diary to stay motivated and make adjustments. 10. Seek support. Surround yourself with a positive support system for encouragement,